Great mother and great hunter. That's what they say about cheetahs. And this is also the species who made the African savanna more chaotic than ever. Despite their quick speed and peak hunting, there are times when these predators encounter undesirable wounds. Is she surviving and raising her children well after all these painful wounds? Let's take a look at this. Southern Africa is home to thousands of cheetahs. This fertile land is not only a paradise of cheetahs, but also a home to countless other animals. Cheetahs prefer to live in open environments such as semi-desert steppes, and virtually any other habitat that has appropriate prey has its footprints. With their long strides and hunting skills, many prey animals become fearful when confronted by cheetahs. The cheetah's speed and agility allow it to catch prey like gazelles, impalas, and other small antelope. The hunt only ends when the prey is subdued under the teeth of the cheetahs. For cheetahs, such hunts are not only for foraging, but also for survival lessons for their offspring. To survive in this wild environment requires them to become proficient in hunting skills, such as their mothers. When it comes to a mother's sacrifice and her best instincts, just look at the cheetah will know. In order to ensure that their offspring are not at risk from predators, they would hide them in the bush, after which they would go on hunting. Once the cubs are old enough to venture out, the mother cheetah will take them with her on hunts, teaching them how to hunt and providing them with food. Cheetahs are the best single mothers in the wild. Despite the challenges of raising a litter of cubs on her own, the mother cheetah is fiercely dedicated to her offspring. She will defend them against any threat, even at the risk of her own life. For them, the real danger is not being killed, but losing their babies, because up to 90% of cheetahs die before reaching adulthood. Only about 10% of small cheetahs survive to the age of 1 year, and the first year is the most difficult for a female to choose to hunt or stay to protect her cubs from danger. However, once the cubs are old enough to fend for themselves, usually around 18 months, the mother cheetah will separate them and they will have to learn to survive on their own. This is a crucial period in a cheetah's life, as they must quickly learn how to hunt and avoid predators in order to survive in the wild. The wounds encountered by cheetahs largely came from fighting to protect the young for safety. The cheetah with an injured leg is walking with a limp. Wounds to protect their children from danger testify to the mother's love for them. Like a mother's instinct, willing to do anything for her baby. It's worth noting that cheetah cubs face many threats in the wild, including predation, disease, and habitat loss. As a result, cheetah populations have declined significantly in recent years, and they are now considered a vulnerable species. Conservation efforts are underway to help protect cheetahs and their cubs from these threats, including efforts to protect their habitats and reduce human-wildlife conflicts. After watching it all, leave your thoughts in the video commentary. Goodbye, and see you in subsequent videos on the channel.